Okay, hi, I'm Kerry. I'm back. This is part 2. So we're pulling apart this Kenmore / Whirlpool direct drive washing machine from 19 to 20 years ago. It was built, so here it is. We pulled the inner tub, metal tub out. As you can see, it's really dirty around the sides. You can see a lot of pet hair, and there's the bottom, which is not too bad. But as we look inside, you can see that there is this like thick mud, fine mud that has built up in the 19 to 20 years that this has been in operation. So we're gonna scrape all that off right there, and you can see along the sides here is this like crazy kind of skin type of crud. It's more than likely a lot of fabric softener mixed in with pet hair and grease and all kinds of grime. So that's what you're in for when you're buying an older washing machine. And I don't know if used appliance places. And by the way, look at the side of this. This is the transmission that comes up through the bottom, and this is like a sleeve that it goes through, and that's kind of rusted away. This is right here where my finger is. I'm chipping away at this. This is the little collar. See, that's more like just detergent and mud and gunk. But this outer collar's gotten a bit rusted, so we'll file that down a little bit, get that nice and clean all this, and we'll come back for a part 3. So I don't know how many used appliance guys really do this kind of work, because you could see it's just going to take a couple hours, and it's hard work, and it's just easier to just if everything else is working, you're not going to see this as the paying customer, so you don't know what's going on inside your washing machine, but maybe you could clean it out yourself. But that's what you're in for, and it's pretty gross. So I'll come back for part 3 and show you everything nice and clean before I put it all back together, and then hopefully someone will enjoy nice clean clothes from a machine that was built properly and a great design that lasted for almost 30 years. It made a lot of money for Whirlpool, the direct drive washing machine. It's old school. Thanks for watching. I'm Kerry.